pwede na natin tikman ang banana cake. Ayan, tikman ko nga kung masarap. Ayan. Unang subo sa inyong lahat, mga viewers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap, sarap. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make again another recipe. So these are all the ingredients for ripe bananas, and I have little Blue Band or commercial butter, and this is sugar. This is for caramelize. So tabi-tabi muna natin ito. And then 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, or etc. And this is 1 cup or 1.5 cup of flour, like this I use. And 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of coffee. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of milk. This is not 1 cup, so this is enough. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients. Oh, sorry, 1 egg is I forget. 1 egg. Must be we have to use 1 egg here. So, ayan, asan na yung egg? Ito yung egg. Now we have to mix all ingredients in bowl. We have to put all ingredients here. So this is 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And we have to mix. Or we can put all together. This is cocoa powder and coffee and milk and baking powder. This one 3 ingredients. This one after I have to make caramelize. This one, if you have brown sugar, you can use also, but I don't have brown sugar, so I use this one for caramelize. Now we have to mix well. Ito na lang gamitin ko kasi mahirap itong aking This is not good. I have before spatula, plastic spatula, but my langga he make already. He broke my plastic spatula, so I use this one wood spatula. This is very good also. This is the perfect batter of my recipe for today. So we have to leave this one for almost 20 minutes because I'm still busy doing something. So we have to cover it. Ayan. Now let's start now to put this ripe bananas in pan. So first I have to put this Blue Band butter. If no enough, I have to put also this organic butter. But I think this is enough. I add more organic butter. One tablespoon I put here in Blue Band butter, commercial butter. Now next we have to put now this sugar. We have to wait until this sugar become syrup or become melted. If you don't have butter, you can use any kind of cooking oil or margarine. Now we have to make slow flame. So sugar already melted. Now we can put now this what you call this banana. We have to arrange like that. Ay, so. Ay. Dapat ganito ang ano niya. Ganyan. I think I have to add one more banana here. So I will add more banana. Now change side natin para both sides ay ano maluto. Cook for 1 minute or 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, I have to turn side again. Again, change side. Hawak-hawak ko kasi itong mobile. Kaya mahirap. Dapat i-change side uli. So now it's time to put now this butter. Ayan, scatter natin. Now we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. Must be the flame is medium to avoid burning. So we have to cover it. Now we'll check because I already transfer here in Pugon or Chimney or Angiti. So I think here in center is still not cooked. You see? Ayan, o basa-basa pa. And dito sa side is already cooked. Ayan, o dry na. So only this left in center. This is already cooked. Now we have to flip now. We have to change side. Inshallah, it will be not it will be okay. Hindi sana didikit. Bismillah. Ito na, na-flip ko na. Ayan, ito yung, yung sa ilalim. So, what I have to do is, I have to transfer this one in big plate. And then, I have to slice it and so that we can taste what is taste of this banana cake in pan. I remove already from here, so I bring again back here because first I cook here in pan in the stove. So I think no need to transfer here, so it doesn't matter. So we have to slice now this one. Ayan, ito yung banana cake in pan without oven. My homemade banana cake in pan. No worries, no need to use oven. So, ito slice na natin para matikman natin ang aking ginawa. Ayan.